Double X? I'm afraid we've had another complication.
I'm beginning to think you are the complication. That item should have been in my hands by now.
Oh, no, Boris, I'm still in the gas tank.
Then bring me the gas tank. What are you waiting for?
We've lost them again, sir. We don't know where they are.
Excuse me, monsieur. I'm looking for Inspector Boucher. Oui, monsieur.
Impossible. Are you trying to tell me that a couple of simple-minded Americans disappeared? Hold on.
Hope we're not disturbing you, Inspector.
No, gentlemen. Your timing could not be more perfect.
Good.
I want to thank you for your continued cooperation in this matter of the stolen diamond.
Yes, well, tonight, Inspector, we're asking for your help.
Somebody's out to get our car.
Oh, but that seems impossible.
I think they're trying to knock us out of the race.
Oh.
I was wondering if there's some way, well, I don't know, we can put the car in protective custody for tonight.
That is, if you're not too busy trying to find that diamond.
No. One is just as important as the other, I assure you. I'll only be a moment.
Oh, I mean, we'll wait in the car.
Good idea. We wouldn't want anything to happen to it. Not now. Hello. The car is here. Never mind how. No, it's too risky for me. I will see to it that the car will be at number 32, Avenue Mozart, within the hour. Don't get lost on the way. Your worry is now my worry, gentlemen. Rest easily. I'll take personal charge of this valuable possession.
Inspector!
What is it, Fontenoy?
Off duty or not, sir? I just couldn't sleep thinking about the diamond and how it must be weighing on your mind.
At the moment, Fontenoy, I have a car weighing on my mind.
If for some reason somebody's trying to knock us out of the race.
Well, with your incredible time in the trials, it would not take a master of deduction like Inspector Boucher to see that you have an excellent chance to win.
Which is exactly why I personally will ensure the safety of this automobile. Now, put your mind at ease, gentlemen. Get a good night's sleep.
Thank you. You too, Herbie.
Oh, yeah, anything you say.
Big day tomorrow, pal.
I sure appreciate that. Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
No, permit me, sir.
What do you mean?
You have enough responsibility trying to find that diamond. I'll look after the car.
Don't be ridiculous. What are you doing?
Anything for you and the force, Inspector.
Get out of that car.
Leave it to me, sir. I'll keep this little car hidden so no one will find it.
Fontenoy? My best man.
Night.
Night.
My very best.
We've checked that, sir. It's nowhere. We've covered the whole city. Now what?
In the morning, before the race, that ridiculous little car will get gasoline. When it does, you'll be there.